Okay, so this is Honey. Honey, come on to your thing. And Honey only knows one trick so far. She only knows how to do step up. Good birdie, good Honey. Mwah. She's very clever at stepping up, and her favourite treat is honey, which is why her name is Honey. Now we're going to teach her, if we can, how to turn around. That's what the aim is. Let me just brighten that up a bit. That's better. Now, as we can see, there's plenty of distractions in the room, so we're not sure how this is going to go. But I think, Honey, you're going to be a good learner. So, Honey, I want you to turn around. We do turn around. That's it. Start with the half turn. You're going to come back this way again once you've eaten that honey. Honey's your favourite food in the whole wide world, isn't it? Come back this way. Good girl. Good birdie. Ready? Turn around. Turn around. You've run out of room. Let's move you over a bit. You're not right at the end. Turn around. Well done, Honey.
Put her in the middle.
Well done. Good bird. Good bird. Well done,
Give us
Honey.
some honey first.
She gets honey every time she does it really well. That's right, Elliot.
And did you do really well?
Okay, Honey. We're going to... Oh, after you've had your shake. Honey, turn around. Turn around. Well done. She's doing well so far. We'll do this a few more times and see how she goes. Honey, turn around. Turn around. Doing the hand action. Okay, so here we are for attempt number 2 at training since, well, it's actually attempt number 3 because attempt number 2, Honey decided she didn't like the honey anymore, so now we're going with rice. She seems to be enjoying that a lot. So, here we go. Here we go, Honey. Turn around. Good girl. Good girl, Honey. And we've still got our distractions with us.
Let me turn
Here we go. Turn around. Good girl, Honey. Good girl.
Look.
Okay, I think we're getting much closer to the end result now, aren't we? Hey, Honey?
Darcy, how's it going?
Okay. Today we've got pancakes as our bar. Want some pancake? Turn around. Good girl.
What do you think to it?
Good girl, Honey. Turn around. Good girl. We're not even doing it over the top of your head anymore. And you're getting it. Yeah. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. You want it? Turn around. All the way. Good girl. You're very clever. Do one more. One more good one and then we can finish. Then I think we're happy.
Oh, Darcy, you're nice.
Turn around. Good girl. Well done,